Shalom, Manishma. This is Teacher Mike with our video Ivrit Hayom for today. Hebrew Today, episode number 11. Our word for today is shtaim. Shtaim, which means two, the number two. And it can cause a little bit of confusion for some people. So let's check out our dialogue. Kama yeladim yesh lecha? Kama yeladim yesh lecha? And he responds, Arba'a, shte banot v'shne banim. Arba'a, shte banot v'shne banim. Meaning, Kama, how many children, which is yeladim, do you have? Yesh lecha. Response being four. Arba'a, shte banot, two girls, and shne banim, two boys. So let's look here. Okay, the word two is shtaim. That's what we just learned. But if you're talking about two of something, like two girls or two dresses, you'd say shte banot, two girls. If you're talking about a male thing, such as two boys or two apples, anything that's gender is male, you'd say shne banim. Okay, so shtaim changes its form depending on how it's used. Another example, if you were talking about the time, like it's 2 in the afternoon, shtaim b'tzaharaim, 2 in the afternoon, shtaim. And again, talking about two female things, shte, and talking about two male things, such as boys, shne. Hope that's clarified a little bit of the confusion that people often feel around the number two. If it hasn't, no problems. In Baya, just write your questions under the video. I'll be very happy to answer them. Yalla. Achlayom. Bye.